Welcome back to the shop. Today, we're making a custom pen for a fellow YouTuber. Stick around. I've joined a couple of networks of people, small YouTubers like myself who have small shops, and one of them just hit the milestone of getting 1,000 subscribers. Her channel is called Make It Soph, and it turns out that she is a huge Star Trek fan, especially the Next Generation. The Make It Soph is a takeoff of Jean-Luc Picard's catchphrase of Make It So, and she calls her makerspace The Bridge. As a gift for her, for making 1,000 subscribers, hitting us 1,000 subscribers, she didn't make them. Well, that'd be amazing, wouldn't it? Poof, I got 1,000 subscribers. I have made her a custom blank that is dressed up like a shirt from the Next Generation, and it has a communicator badge on it. So I'm going to turn this into a pen today and show you guys the whole process. So I'll meet you over at the lathe. Here is the finished pen for Make It Soph. Decided to put it in a gold and gunmetal kit. This is a Sierra style pen, and just for the record, this is Soph for you. This is how you change the ink. You unscrew the tip. Don't lose the spring. I do that all the time. So your spring's down in here. Pull the ink cartridge out. This is a Parker style refill. Put your refill in. Screw the top back into place. And twist the top to extend and retract. And that's your pen. Soph, I hope you get a lot of years of use out of this. I hope you really enjoy it. Congratulations again on hitting 1,000 subs. And here's to your next 1,000. Y'all have a good day. Hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. If you like this video, hit the like button. Let me know I'm doing all right. You all have a good weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye. The like button, let me do yeah. One of these days, I'm going to figure out how to talk. I promise. That's kind of why I'm doing this, so I can practice talking. I don't do that very much, obviously.